Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video we're going to make something that I absolutely love. We're going to make breakfast burritos. I say breakfast, but you can serve it as a lunch, you can serve it as an afternoon snack. They're very easy to put together, very wholesome and very nutritious because we have a ton of stuff going in. So what I'm doing first is that I'm going to saute some green onions. You can substitute it with onions. So in my pan here, I put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and in goes the onion. About 2 tablespoons of red pepper, some corn, and some garlic. I'm going to add some salt here. And while this is sauteing for a bit, I'm going to chop up some roast beef. You can use bacon as well. And there's really no need to cook roast beef, but I want them a little crunchy. So I'm just going to chop up some, about 5-6 slices. And get them in the pan as well. Stirring it up. And I have a tortilla bread in front of me, and I'm going to put this on the pan so that it warms up while the vegetables and the roast beef are cooking. And while that's happening, I'm going to slice up an avocado. I'm just getting it out. Perfect. And I can get the tortilla out of here. It's nice and warm. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to transfer the veggies to a different bowl because I want to cook the egg here. I want to take advantage of all the deliciousness that's in the pan right now. That's why I'm going to cook my eggs in here. I strongly suggest that you do the same. Okay. So now putting the heat back on, adding some olive oil, some more olive oil. And you can do butter too. And I have 4 eggs here. I'm going to whisk them. Perfect. And I'm going to cook them. I'm going to scramble them actually. And I always cook my eggs on low heat because I want them nice and soft. And I've turned the heat down. I've turned it off actually, and you can see they're still a little bit juicy, and that's how I want them. This way I know that they'll be really soft. And I'm adding in about a tablespoon of shredded mozzarella cheese. Giving it another stir so that the cheese melts a little bit with the eggs, and that's it. So I take my tortilla in front of me. I put some of that grilled veggies. You can do maybe 3 wraps with this, 3 burritos. Perfect. I put in 2 slices of avocado, some eggs. Look at that. Some more salt and black pepper. Some basil. You can do coriander as well, which I love. And I'm going to wrap this up. Look at that. Looks delicious. Let's give it a taste. It's like different layers of deliciousness. The eggs are so soft. Don't ever overcook your eggs. The basil gives it a great aroma. I can feel the crunchiness of the roast beef, which to me feels very good. And the vegetables just give it a very fun, very exciting taste. I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is something that you can make in about 10 minutes and everyone is gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.